Well, to start off, what do you think is the biggest challenge people face when it comes to public speaking?
The first and foremost is stage fear. That's the biggest obstacle.
Absolutely. That stage fear is such a common hurdle. It can definitely be intimidating to speak in front of an audience. What do you think are some of the best ways to overcome that fear and build confidence?
I think that's a good question. We know the problem. Now we have to find out the solutions. The best solution is make sure that look for opportunities wherein you get more chances to come on the stage, because I will tell you the secret. This fear of stage is not going to go until unless you don't appear on the stage many times. So coming on the stage and speaking, once you do for several times, you'll become habituated to it and the fear will gradually vanish.
That's so true. Practice really does make a huge difference. And the more you put yourself out there, the more comfortable and confident you become. It's all about building that habit and getting used to the experience.
Next question.
All right, let's keep going. What's one piece of advice you'd give to someone who's just starting out with public speaking and wants to improve quickly?
Yeah, like when you start, of course, don't have too many expectations. That I would like to say. Otherwise, you will meet disappointment, because miracles doesn't happen. Here, the progress happens gradually. People appreciating you, more people calling you. And that takes over a period of time. And that surely happens once you become really good public speaker. So have a patience.
Absolutely. Patience is key. Progress and public speaking definitely happens step by step. And every time you practice, you're building those skills. So staying consistent and being patient with yourself is super important.
What's the next question?
All right, here we go. What's one technique or exercise that you think is particularly helpful for improving your speaking skills?
I am a great proponent of talk, in the sense, just pick up a word and take that as a subject and talk. In a sense, the best way, don't start practicing scripted version. Go for impromptu speaking, because once you develop that courage of talking on various topics, you develop a kind of confidence which really sails you through all the hurdles and difficulties. I really like somebody said a very interesting thing, like why you need to practice impromptu speaking is because you cannot be prepared for every time and every occasion. There will be a lot of occasion. People will ask you to say something, give a few words, or talk a brief talk. So that time you have to immediately speak. So if you develop impromptu speaking capacity, ability, courage, I bet you it's going to help you in your career.
That's a fantastic point. Impromptu speaking really does help you think on your feet and become more adaptable. It's a great way to build that confidence so that you can handle any situation that comes your way. Plus, it keeps things interesting and fun.
Yeah, I think we will conclude here. I will see you soon.
All right, that sounds good. It was great chatting with you, and I look forward to our next conversation. Take care and see you soon.
Thank you.